Lexicon Center of MSME Excellence presents a video series on An Entrepreneur is Never Off Duty.
जो हमारा नया एपिसोड है उसमें आज हम मिलेंगे पुणे के सबसे वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट पर्सनालिटीज। अब मैनेजमेंट में जाओ, एजुकेशन में जाओ, इंडस्ट्री में जाओ, आईटी में जाओ, सभी लोग जानते हैं इनको। इज मिस्टर संजय गांधी।
नमस्कार।
नमस्ते संजय सर।
नमस्कार।
एंड मिसिस संजय गांधी, समिता संजय गांधी। नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते सर।
सर आज हमने एक एपिसोड शुरू किया है, उसका नाम है एन एंटरप्रेन्योर इज नेवर ऑफ ड्यूटी। तो उसके बारे में हम थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे क्योंकि एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर हम कभी ऑफ ड्यूटी रहते नहीं हैं।
I have passed my BE in 1992 from Pune University. After that, as I have a passion in training, I have attended training program in USA by Bob Pike, Creative Training Techniques. I have attended lot of program on NIS, Sparta, Stephen Covey training, and I feel in life training is important. Without training, you are nowhere. So I believe in that, and I am doing that for my staff also.
I have completed my BTech in petrochemical engineering. I have done the 3 years experience in the chemical industry. And after marriage, we have started the Jet King.
Okay.
And through Jet King, our journey in the education and the business, you can say this started.
जेटिंग आपने कभी शुरू किया था सर?
Jet King, we have started on auspicious day of 12 June 1997. The vision of that particular time was when the software industry is booming that particular time. At that time I felt there is a lot of chaos in hardware and network engineers. There is a huge career for a network engineer. And there where the birth of Jet King Center in Pune has been launched. Jet King के एक 18 साल के जर्नी में I have trained more than 7,000 students.
Okay.
And precisely if I tell 90% and above people has got the jobs.
Okay.
And I proudly say today, if you go for network security, whether it is master, whether it is Visa, whether it is in Barclays or any IT industry, when it comes to network security, it definitely is a student of Jet King Jain Group.
क्या बात है।
Yeah, that's what the achievement I will say, and that is what the satisfaction I get always from my students, from my staff also. But from 2013 onwards, Government of India has started lot of initiatives as far as the trainings are concerned or skill developments are concerned. I cannot marry to a technology,
That's
so I have to go with the technology which is sellable. And there where I thought, why not to become a partner with NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation, and I have become partner. I have taken funding from them to set up the centers across India. We have set up 120 plus centers.
Wow.
As a franchisee network, and we trained 1 lakh students from this into beauty, retail, manufacturing, IT, ITES, electronics, telecom. These are the sectors on which we have trained the students. And when I crossed these 1 lakh students, I felt happy. Yes, I have done certain change in their livelihood, and there where the satisfaction has come. When I am doing this journey, I thought, why not to work with CSR, because they are the people. If you see this year's 22, 23, 24, the consecutive 2 years, the maximum spending of CSR has happened on vocational education and livelihood.
Okay.
And that is there where I have joined India CSR, and we have started taking conferences and sensitizing the companies to spend more on skill education and higher education. Because if, as our PM says, India should become this skill capital of the world.
Correct.
Then definitely it is there. We have to align ourselves with that goal, and lot of funding funding should come, and we should do this skill education because demographic dividend is high. If you see 65% of the population is below 29 years of age. So this is the right time. ये अमृत काल है. ये अमृत काल में हमें अगर ये एजुकेशन देंगे, स्किल एजुकेशन देंगे, एनईपी भी आया है, नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी जो नया इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो रहा है, इस सारों से भारत देश का एक सुपर पावर में कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा, वो बिलीफ पे मैं हूँ।
अभी सर आप लोगों ने जेटिंग से शुरू किया, देन यू वहां से एस्पायर नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स शुरू किया फॉर अ लार्जर पर्पस।
राइट।
नाउ अभी आपने जो नया एकदम ब्रांड इनिशिएटिव आपका जो है दैट इज एस्टोर। माइक्रो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलप करने के लिए जो हमने इनिशिएटिव लिए है, आपने इनिशिएटिव
Yes,
लिया है
yes.
ए स्टोर, उसके बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हैं?
Astore Electronics Multi-Brand Mobile Repair Studio is our startup, and this startup is totally based on main three pillars. These are the unique pillars of our startup. The first is economical.
ओके.
Economical in the sense we are creating the micro entrepreneurs.
Hmm.
If we start the one store, there should be the job opportunities. And indirectly economic will grow for that particular region. The second pillar is the social. Social in the sense where one store can give the maximum jobs to the 5 to 7 peoples.
ओके.
And the convenience in that area will be increased. And the third pillar is environmental. Every store is carbon negative since inception.
वाओ.
We are repairing, the right to repair act is there, and we are reducing the e-waste.
ओके.
So in the case that is the environmental, we have totally take the all these precautions while creating this model of Astore.
Pune Municipal Corporation already appreciated her efforts on environmental front, and that is why we have started and set up our first store in Pune University. From Pune University, we are now setting up in 50 colleges in Pune, in and around area. To say because the culture which we have adopted, Western culture, it is use and throw. So that technology has of use and throw actually brought from China. So instead of use and throw, जो भारतीय परंपराएं है, जो ट्रेडिशनल परंपरा है, कि उसको संभालो, तो उसको रिपेयर करो, उसको रीयूज करो, तो वो लाइंस पे हम लोग यंग माइंड से अभी बात कर रहे हैं. That is where we are putting these skill labs, these stores in colleges, giving them internship, giving them skill training, and sensitizing them, doing the repair of the handset there itself in their college itself.
15 साल की गारंटी वाली चीज 45 इयर्स इंडियन आर्मी चलाता है. 45 इयर्स. उतनी परफेक्ट मेंटेनेंस, इतनी सब चीजें करते हैं. तो सिमिलरली जो
Yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing that they are doing it here.
Absolutely.
Same thing should be
So
benefited
repair,
because
reuse and recycle is important.
Absolutely.
India is becoming slowly repair capital of the world. That is what the central government vision is.
Okay.
So if you see worldwide, it is 100 crore billion target market is, and that is where the eyes are. The repair should come to India,
Okay.
and where the manufacturers have started doing that thing.
Okay.
So even India has government of India has launched one site also, right to repair gov.in. On that, every manufacturer has to register himself,
अच्छा.
saying that these are the spares are available and this is the designs are available, and it is something like right to repair. When fully right to repair act is implemented, like developed countries, anybody can repair his mobile on his own.
अच्छा.
Under warranty also.
Okay.
He can go to any local player also to repair it.
Okay.
And the warranty will not go wide. That is important. That should come up. So the monopoly will go and repair will happen. And once the repair is happen, I am sure people will use it for a long time.
And A store के लिए down the line 10 years आपका क्या vision है?
See, I'm speaking to a lot of state government. I have spoke with Karnataka government. We have launched Swami Vivekananda Yuva Shakti Yojana, where they are planning to have 10,000 entrepreneurs in different domains. Out of that, I felt कि why not to start with at least 1,000 stores in Maharashtra area, 1,000 in Karnataka, and 1,000 in Bihar. That's what my short target is. But in the long run, we have to have 10,000 micro entrepreneurs. I believe in micro entrepreneurship nowadays because startup schemes are there, support is there, PMEGP schemes are there, CMEGP schemes are there. Students are getting a lot of hand-holding kind of thing.
Correct.
So instead of migrating to the city and going for 15,000 salary and exploiting themselves, it's always better to earn 30,000 rupees at the place where he is.
Right.
And there where the Indian economy will change. As Gandhi says, India will grow only if we grow the rural area,
Right.
the urban rural area also, semi-urban area also. So there where I thought, why not to start with this? So if you see in Paris, there are 5 R's are there. So repair is there, reuse is there. So out of that 1 R I have taken and focusing on that 1 R of repair.
Okay.
And that is why I want to flourish across India.
Okay.
This particular repair.
आपको क्या लगता है अब ये जो A store का जो डिमांड होगा या इसका जो पेनिट्रेशन होगा, ये ज्यादातर सिटीज में होना चाहिए कि रूरल इंडिया में होना चाहिए?
I am starting in cities, but yes, it is more beneficial for the rural India.
Rural India.
And
Well,
because
this migration will
mobile
happen.
handsets are already there. 55% of the handsets right now in India are smartphones, and that is growing day by day because the
Correct.
cost is reducing. So automatically smartphones will be there everywhere, and then instead of doing e-waste and dumping those things or replacing those things, it is better to repair. And if the convenience is there, if the trustworthiness is there, if the transparency is there, definitely people can repair themselves.
And what is the kind of investment for an entrepreneur or micro entrepreneur in a
Actually,
store? And what is
it's
the
a-
kind of return on investment?
Good, very good question. Thank you. Because people should understand there is a investment of only 5 lakh rupee to set up the store. It's a hub and spoke model. So hub, which is approximately the cost is 20 lakh rupee that we are doing on our own. So Aspire is investing 20 lakh rupee to set up the hub, and that hub is supporting those spokes.
Okay.
So those spokes will be supported. The spoke is coming only for 5 lakh rupee.
Okay.
And there where the break even is coming in 14 months only.
Okay.
And for that, if the student do not have say funds, so we are making project plan, we are making him loan, and under PMEGP scheme, we are giving him subsidy. The open category get 25%, the reserve category get 35% subsidy, and we are doing everything. Just he has to come with a zeal. I want to become entrepreneur, and a space of 150 square feet only to set up this store.
Great. That's a big social cause के लिए
Yeah.
बहुत
Yeah.
बड़ा काम कर रहे हो क्योंकि
Yes.
आजकल कोई भी चीज फ्री में मिलता नहीं, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी पेड. सो अगर एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, एक कोर्स आप ऑनलाइन फ्री में दे रहे हो,
Yes.
दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. वंडरफुल सर. एंड हम चाहते हैं कि हर तालुका में आपका कम से कम 10 से 20-25 आपका ए स्टोर्स बने.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you,
so
thank
much.
एंड उसके अलावा माइक्रो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए आप एक रोल मॉडल बने.
Yeah.
माइक्रो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलप करने के लिए
Yeah,
आप एक
yeah.
रोल मॉडल बने. एंड उसमें जो भी सपोर्ट हमारी तरफ से चाहिए तो हम वी आर ऑलवेज देयर विद यू एज अ लेक्सिकॉन टीम. एंड आपके जितने भी तमन्ना है, जितने भी ड्रीम्स है, फुलफिल हो जाए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.